Hi students, it's Mrs. Grimes here. We are finished with our plant life cycle unit, and I am excited to show you your 3 options to be able to show us what you know about the plant life cycle. The first pick is using the Chatterpix app, where you can use all those great pictures that we've taken of our plants throughout the unit, put a mouth on that part of the plant or that plant, and be able to record your voice describing the plant life cycle. Pick number 2 is using a Flipgrid video. You will use the plants that you have at home, or you can show us pictures of the plants that we've done in the online classroom. And you're going to make a video describing the plant life cycle. And then the third pick is using Minecraft to show us the life cycle of a plant. You will describe step by step what you're doing within the Minecraft game of the life cycle of the plant. You can choose to use screencast to record yourself within the Minecraft game, or you can have a learning coach video you using a camera or a phone. So have fun showing us what you know about the plant life cycle.